everyone, here I introduce you our UN204 portable mesh nebulizer. This is an atomized drug delivery medical device for the treatment and prevention of respiratory diseases. It can be used for both adults and children. The standard packing including 1 mask for adults, 1 mask for children, 2 mouthpieces, 1 USB charger, 1 lanyard, 1 dust prevention cover, the user manual, and the color box. The medicine cup capacity is 10 cc. There are scale marks from 2 cc to 10 cc on the medicine cup, which is convenient to use the medicine according to the doctor's order. The atomization module is detachable. The using method is like these several simple steps. There are totally 3 modes of the atomization: strong, medium, weak. If it is to treat lower respiratory tract diseases, please change the mouthpiece for using.